Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send mass DM to all your followers on Twitter using TweekSocial.com. It's fully automated, running 24/7 on cloud. You just have to set up it once and then just leave it as it is and it will work on background. So you don't need to keep your laptop turned on. So let's get started. So to send mass DM to all your followers, first you have to sign up on TweekSocial.com. Once you sign up, you will be redirected to this dashboard here. Just go to accounts and connect your account using our Chrome extension. You have to install our Chrome extension once and connect your account. Paste your auth token and CTO here. Once you add your auth token and your Twitter handle, just click connect account and it will get connected like this. It will show active on your account. So once your account got active, you can just go to your campaigns, create a new campaign. Let's say my followers. Select your account and write your message. Say hi, I wanted to reach you out regarding, or say thanks for connecting on X. So like this you can add messages. You can add your variant as well, so it will send random messages. So you can add 4 variations of your messages. Go to next. Just go down and you will see your target username. So you have to add your username. So once you add your username here, you can filter some keywords on bio like this. If you want to send DMs to only specific peoples, so you can add these as well, and you can add locations or exclude any location as well. So then I will start with autosync and it will start sending messages to all my followers. So this is how easy it is to send messages to all your followers using TweekSocial.com. I hope you like our product. If you like my video, just give a thumbs up on the video. And you can check out the messages has started. One message got skipped because it already sent message to that people. I already skipped that. So let me show you once again that you can also skip those, you already sent messages. So these are the settings we have it turned on, like skip previous end user, skip same template sent within 15 days. Cross campaign production is if from you have connected multiple accounts, you can skip sending messages from one person from so many accounts. So this is how cross campaign production helps. So now if I go to my campaign here, so it started. It will start sending messages to all my followers. I have only 30 followers, so it will send, okay, one message is already sent. So that's it. Now you can turn off your laptop. No need to turn it on. It will automatically send messages. That's it. Thank you.